Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and personalized memorial hoodie step by step. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and do me a favor and hit the like button for me. Whether you are honoring a loved one or making something special for a friend, this project is meaningful and easy to customize. So let's get started. The picture is blurred out because of the person who is in it. She is not the deceased one. I also ended up switching the photo, so that's another reason why I blurred it out. But make sure you have all your materials, whether you're going to put it on a short sleeve shirt, long sleeve shirt, or a hoodie. Make sure you pick out your size and color that you're going to use. Make sure you have your printable heat transfer vinyl, your parchment paper, or a heat resistant mat. Today I'm using the Design Space software, but feel free to use your favorite design software. Choose a meaningful quote of your choice. I chose the words "forever in our hearts" and the person's name. You can also add the dates if you want, and other messages that you may want to put at the bottom of the photo. Make sure you use high resolution images and test different fonts to make sure the text is readable. The photo had too much space at the top above the person's head, so I just took a square object and cut it off with the splice button. And before I make any major changes to my design, I always duplicate it just in case I make a mistake and mess up. Now I'm getting ready to print, and I'm using the Easy Color DTV by Caesar. If you use this vinyl, you got to be careful to print on the correct side. I like it though because it's very thin and doesn't feel heavy on your garment. I purchased this from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and no, I do not receive any kind of commissions from Heat Transfer Warehouse or Caesar for recommending this. This is just to help you out in case you want to try it. I speed up these videos because I know people don't have a lot of time to sit and watch the whole thing if it was to play out in regular speed. But just know when I'm pressing these garments, like before I put the design, it's always for at least 5 seconds. And when I'm pressing on the vinyl, it is always at least 15 seconds. If you see at the bottom of the photo, that arrow, it was spaced. The frame was not exactly the same size as the photo. I don't understand why it always comes out like that. I have to figure that out. So right now I'm just cutting it to make sure it fits up against the photo correctly, and there's no spaces between the frame and the photo. This was something new I tried. I had some pearls that you use to make a bracelet, and I wanted to embellish the hoodie with them. And I had to find an easy way to apply them because I couldn't just pick them up with my rhinestone stick, because the pearl is kind of heavy. So I came up with the idea of just threading them. That way they can all be laying the same way, and I can apply them a whole lot easier with the glue. But yes, they do have pearl hot fix stones that you can use, which would have been a lot easier than this. All right, look at that. It's coming together beautifully. Make sure you tune in next week for part 2 of this video, where I finish off the rest of the design. And if you are a customer, don't forget, you can always visit www.spillingtees313.com Reach out to me there if you would like to order one of these for yourself or a loved one, or just simply leave me a message in the comments. I'll definitely get back with you as soon as possible. Until next week, I'm out of here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Much love.